Hey everybody, this is Robert Jones, your Market Center Tech Trainer for KW Raleigh and Wake Forest, and your tech tip of the week involves syncing your contacts to command through Piesync. That's right, everybody. Today we're going to utilize the services of Piesync through command to connect your phone or some other CRM that you're using to command to import your contacts. So, from the home page, we're going to navigate up to your name in the top right corner, drop that down and choose Settings. Once in Settings, we're going to scroll down to the Piesync option and choose Connect Account. From this list, you'll see we have a myriad of choices to choose from. We could choose your Microsoft Exchange account, your iCloud if you utilize an iPhone for your contacts, or in this case, Google Contacts, which you should have access to if you utilize an Android phone. So I'm going to choose Google Contacts now, and when I click Authorize, it's going to pop up a window that unfortunately you can't see, but it gives me an option to choose which Google account I want to utilize. So I'm going to choose the demo account for KW Raleigh, log in, and now it's asking if I will allow it to sync to command, which I will say allow. Next, it gives me some connection options. It has two connection rules here. The first being, if a contact is in Google Contacts, then it will sync it two-way between Google Contacts and KW Command. A second rule is that if a contact is already present in KW Command, it will then sync it to my Google Contacts. We could add rules or we could turn some of these options off. For instance, I may want to import my contacts from Google into Command, but not vice versa, so I would turn off this second rule. There are also some additional settings that will try to avoid duplicates in your database. For instance, you can set so that it will only sync contacts that have an email address. Down further, you'll notice some field mappings that you can match. These would be in regards to your contact within your phone and how they would be imported into Command. And you can make any of these changes that you like. Once you're ready to sync Piesync from your phone to Command, you can choose Start Syncing Now. But if you're not sure that you have the rules set the way that you would like them, just click Save for Later, which is what I'm going to do now. I hope that this is helpful to you in setting up your contacts from your phone or some other referral maker database into Command. Once again, I am Robert Jones, your Market Center Tech Trainer, and I hope that this has added value to your business. If you ever need help, remember that you can email me at robertjoins@kw.com, and I'm always in the Market Center on Mondays from 12 to 1 and Fridays from 12 to 2. Hope to see you in one of my classes, and I'll see y'all later this week.